The sun has been shining, the wind has been howling, but nevertheless, it's a wonderful day here at the culinary capital of the Philippines and the home of the defending champions, the Pampanga Delta of the Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions. As we continue the semi-finals of your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, as this is our third consecutive day that we are back-to-back full capacity inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Once again, we are coming live to you inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, the home of the Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta. Kerwin Manansala was on fire as he delivered a double-double performance of 11 points, 12 rebounds, and 2 steals. At makakatapat niya dito, itong si Isaac Danting. The numbers was good, 14 points and 9 rebounds, but he came short on the last minutes. 2 top guards who will remain the toughest. Our games today, ABE ABE King Panyulung Floridablanca kontra APALIT I Love It. At para sa ating main event, game number 2, Level Up Lubao kontra Minalin All-Stars. Isang magandang araw po sa inyo mga kabalens ng Penelope Wilhelmina, joined by the Chief, Enzo Galarosa.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Pen, and magandang hapon rin sa lahat ng mga kabalin na nakatutok. As you said nga, the sun has been shining and the wind has been howling, but it is a wonderful day dahil nga jam-pack tayo dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
And because it is the second day of our semifinals, of course, we bring the best guns here. Tignan muna natin itong ating courtside reporter dito na si Daphne Lozano. Daphne, magandang araw sa iyo.
Magandang araw, Pen and Enzo, at magandang araw din sa ating mga kabalin na nakasubaybay ngayon sa Facebook Live and of course mga nandito sa BREN GUIAO Center. I am Daphne Lozano and I will be your eyes and ears on the sidelines for today's match between Floridablanca versus APALIT. But for now, back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Of course, we will hear from her later on sa kanyang mga reports para dito sa parehong kupunan na maglalaban para ngayon. But of course, pwede niyo pong tutukan ito ating Delta Cup on our different social media platforms. First on our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO at sa ating YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO, and of course to the YouTube channel of the broadcast partner of Delta Cup 2024, Sinag Liga Asia, at the YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. But and so, of course, nandito tayo sa ating day 2 na ating semi-finals. So let's take a look to our tournament format para dito sa ating Delta Cup 2024.
We started with 21 teams. Now we are down to the final 4 teams na maglalaban-laban dito sa semi-finals round in a single round robin style dito. Lahat ng teams maglalaban-laban with the top 2 teams of this single round robin qualifying to the finals. Yung 3rd and 4th teams, magkakaroon sila ng knockout game to determine the 3rd and 4th place of this league. And yun nga, sa finals round natin, the top 2 teams will battle it out in a best of 3 series to determine the Delta Cup champions.
And of course, Enzo, let's take a look kung ano ang magiging game story natin dito para sa laban ng APALIT I Love It at itong ABE ABE King Panyulung Floridablanca.
Yes.
Contrasting start.
Yes, contrasting start dahil itong ABE ABE King Panyulung Floridablanca won their game yesterday. Samantalang itong APALIT I Love It, they suffered a heartbreaking loss against Level Up Lubao yesterday. So magkaiba yung simula nila dito sa semifinals round, but luckily single round robin tayo, may chance pang bumawi itong APALIT I Love It. But itong ABE ABE King Panyulung Floridablanca with a win today against APALIT, they are in a good space or good seat na sila to go to the finals right now.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano, para dito sa kanyang pre-game report. Daphne, take it away.
According to APALIT I Love It head coach Zaldi Medina, one of the biggest adjustments that they had to make in order to finally clinch this match is to solidify and tighten their defense, especially on Floridablanca's guards Serrano and Salvador. Let's see if the APALIT will be able to do it. For now, let's turn over to our venue announcer, Brian Pajaro for our starting 5 of the match.
Mayapat ka panapon kay kayo mga kabalen, and welcome to the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the 2023-24 Delta Cup Intercities Municipalities Basketball Tournament Semi-Finals! Presented by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, Pampanga PIO, and our broadcast partner, Sinag Liga Asia. We're live on Facebook, facebook.com/PampangaPIO, and our YouTube channels at Pampanga PIO and Sinag Liga TV. This is day 2 of our semifinals. First game of our doubleheader featuring ABE ABE King Panluyong Floridablanca versus APALIT I Love It. And now let's meet the starters for ABE ABE King Panluyong Floridablanca. Small forward number 5, Kervin Manansala. Power forward number 11, Clyde Alquero. Center number 26, Bert Layung. Point guard number 15, Luis Serrano. And shooting guard number 25, Aldrin Serrano. Head coach for Floridablanca, Vince Patrick Igvan. Assisted by Jason Sundiam, Christopher Kasupanan, Kevin Serrano, Odyssey Sumjam, and team owner is Honorable Mayor Darwin Manalansan. And now the starters for APALIT. I love it! Small forward number 12, Isaac Dangting. Power forward number 1, Kent Montalvo. Center number 14, JP Maglalang. Point guard number 23, Lenden Garcia. And shooting guard number 3, Yuri Masiva. Head coach for APALIT is Zaldi Messina. Assisted by Edgar Pingol, Per Gardiner, Robert Perena, and Romel Ochenko. Our officials for this game are Anthony Roque, Dennis Escanos, and Jong Banaya Jr. It's ABE ABE.
The starters for Floridablanca, Luis Serrano, Aldrin Serrano, Jean Layog, Clyde Alquero, Kerwin Manansala. At para sa panig ng APALIT, I Love It, Lendel Garcia, Yuri Masibak, JP Maglalang, Isaac Danting, and Kent Montalvo. Two tough teams who will remain the toughest. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with Enzo Galarosa and Daphne Lozano on the sidelines.
And let's not forget, sabi ko nga, dahil nga panalo kahapon itong Floridablanca kontra the Minalin All-Stars, they're 1-0 dito sa semifinals round and the magic number is 2. Baka dalawang panalo ka, you're in a good situation to get into the finals. Almost secured. I highlight that word, almost secured na kayo to the finals kasi anything can happen pa rin naman dito sa single round robin style.
As rebound by JP Maglalang on that miss from Jean Layog. Balik kay Danting ang bola to Lendel Garcia. Isaac Danting was a starter now for APALIT.
Oo. And pinagsabay na sila agad nito ni Montalvo.
Danting for 3! He delivered the first 3-ball of the ball game all the way from APALIT.
Grabe. And he has been practicing that. Maaga dumating si Ice Danting to warm up kanina dito sa venue. And he has been warming up that shot, practicing that 3-point shot. Yun yung nagkukulang sa kanya in the last, I would love to say, 3 ball games dito, starting ng playoffs natin. Ice Danting has been, hit or miss pagdating sa 3-point shot niya. And we know this guy can light up the scoreboard from 3.
Another turnover from Floridablanca. Lendel Garcia for 3. Off to the center, rebound by Kerwin Manansala. Back to Aldrin Serrano. Nice pass. But 3 consecutive turnovers coming from Floridablanca.
Yes, but I'm noticing Luis Serrano still holding on to that right shoulder, the same shoulder he injured yesterday against Minalin. So that's one thing to, watch for this game. Itong si Luis Serrano, how healthy is he with that right shoulder?
Talbo for 3. Rebound again by Manansala.
Dalawang rebound agad. 12 yan kahapon. Rebounds niya ngayon. 2 na agad.
Aldrin Serrano.
Ayaw pa rin.
Danting on the basketball.
May buwelo.
Running against Aldrin Serrano. Nice bounce pass. Nice kick out to Montalvo. Montalvo for three once again. And there you have it. Back-to-back triple coming from Montalvo and Isaac Danting.
What a start right here for APALIT. I love it. You need to start fast. Yesterday, against Level Up Lubao, nahirapan sila dahil nga medyo nakaalagwa na yung Lubao through the first 3 quarters. So if you're APALIT, you need a fast start. You need a hot start, especially coming from these 2 wing players, Danting and Ket Montalvo from the outside.
And look at his reaction after the triple. He misses the first, but he makes sure na yung pangalawa niya ay papasok na. Luis Serrano, balik na kanyang pinsan. Si Aldrin.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul against Aldrin Serrano.
Clearly, he was moving and Coach Vince Ban was telling him, but kapag gumagalaw, hindi pa naman gumagawa ng move itong si Aldrin Serrano.
4 consecutive turnovers for Floridablanca.
6-0 pa rin dito for APALIT.
2 minutes already passed by our first quarter. Lendl Garcia to Yuri Masibak. Masibak against Luis.
Good pass.
Nice pass to Montalvo. Rebound. JP Maglalang was there. Pero nakuha dun ni Alquero. Balik kay Aldrin ang bola.
Look at that move.
There you have it. The
Grabe.
first basket. For Floridablanca. Care of Aldrin Serrano.
What a move there by Aldrin Serrano. As Garcia counters with a floater of his own.
Look at that guy, Lendl Garcia. No hesitation in that floater.
What a start for APALIT.
Luis
But-
Serrano. Pero may bawi.
Oo.
Itong Floridablanca.
Yung magpinsan, nagpasahan. Great backdoor cut by Aldrin and great find by Luis. As that's the difference maker right here for Floridablanca. Jean Layug is going to have to double up his efforts to protect the rim. Dahil nga aerial assault ang gagawin sa kanila ng APALIT ngayong araw.
Danting asking for help.
Offensive foul din. Mahirap yun eh. There's miscommunication right there. Danting looked like he was going to reject the screen. Yun pala gagamitin niya. Gumalaw na tuloy si Maglalang and that's why as a player, as a teammate, kailangan may understanding kayo kung ano bang gagawin ng teammate mo. Is he gonna reject or is he gonna bring it back to the screen? I-invert mo dapat yung ball screen na yun.
That floater for Luis is too strong. Danting back to Yuri Masibak. Almost a miss. Danting for three again. Short. Rebound by Alquero.
I did not like that possession para dito sa APALIT. There was a 3-on-2. They decide to go for a 3-point shot. Attack the basket. Kayo yung may numbers.
Manansala to Luis Serrano.
Grabe!
Fake! But a miss for Alquero. Rebound once again. Recovery for Floridablanca. Aldrin asks for the ball. Floater once again. Back-to-back. 2-point shot coming from Aldrin Serrano.
Back to back. All 6 points galing dito kay Aldrin Serrano. And look at the face. The game face na pinuput on dito ni Aldrin Serrano. He is focused. He is ready for this moment.
Danting against
Wide
Serrano and
open.
Manansala. Once again, Lendl Garcia for the jumper. That's strong.
Wise move there by Kerwin to just to tap it to Jean Layug dahil andun si Maglalang to steal it away.
Luis, 8-6 with 5 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. 12 on the shot clock for Floridablanca. Back to Kerwin Manansala for 3. That's strong. Yuri Masibak. Of course, we would like to greet 5.1K viewers in our Facebook. Not to mention, na punong-puno tayo dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
Full capacity na naman for 3 straight days, di ba?
Nice pass coming from Danting to Montalvo.
Big
Jumper.
pick. Big pick. Oh, offensive foul.
There was an offensive foul against JP Maglalang. That jumper from Kent Montalvo will not be counted.
Nagulat ako dun. I thought it was a good screen, but the referees say otherwise. Take a look at this one more time. Oh, he was still moving. That was a hard screen. Mararamdaman ni Aldrin Serrano yan bukas. Tibay no screen na yun. But then again, he was still moving, so good call by our officials.
Silvestre checks in for JP Maglalang.
Good call by the officials. Oo nga pala. Good replay din galing sa ating slow-mo operator na si Emerson.
Oo naman, the best yan. Alquero to Aldrin Serrano. Look at that move. Danting was there on the rebound. Masibak. Masibak will drive. No, he passes it to Silvestre. Pero nawala yun sa kamay ni Silvestre. Speedy Harvey checks in. That is strong. There's a foul.
Foul on Montalvo. And it's on the act of shooting. Look at the crowd here. First quarter pa lang, pero parang fourth quarter na yung energy nila.
4 minutes and 43 seconds.
It should be free throws. It's on the act of shooting. That's what they're saying.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano, para sa kanyang report sa parehong coaches for APALIT, Love It, and Florida Blanca. Daphne, take it away.
Coming from a win, Florida Blanca's head coach Vince Patrick Icban believes that in order to win this match once again, the team must focus on the ball game, believe in themselves, and live by their pride in representing their town. Whereas for APALIT, I Love It, they are still sticking to their core, which is tightening their defense. Will the APALIT redeem themselves, or will Florida Blanca have a winning streak? Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Daphne. Alam mo, Enzo, there was a quote na sinabi sa akin ng one of the head coaches on our scene, Lakas Perenta, na masarap maglaro kapag galing sa panalo.
Totoo naman.
And that was coming from Coach Vince Icban.
Yes, and hindi lang galing sa panalo, galing sa 11 sunod-sunod na panalo,
This
di
could be
ba?
their 12 consecutive wins for the tournament. And yet,
11 sunod-sunod yan, di ba?
balik tayo dun sa report din ulit ni Daphne for APALIT. Defense.
Yes.
Yun yung paghuhugutan netong APALIT.
Doon sila natalo ng Lubao kahapon eh. They played defense almost just nearly in the fourth quarter, di ba?
Especially on the last 2.1 seconds of the ball game.
Yun na talaga eh. Pero doon sa first 3 quarters, they just let the shooting of Lubao beat them. Lubao's not really known for their 3-point shots. But doon sa araw na yun, nag-init sa tres itong si Manalang and Franz de la Cruz, di ba? So, if you're APALIT, you have to learn from your mistakes. Dito nga sa tournament format natin, as you pointed out yesterday, di ba? Looking back at what you said yesterday, wala gaanong adjustment period eh. Kasi kinabukasan, may laro ka na agad.
There was no recovery para sa kanilang, not only for their body, but also for their mindset. Siyempre,
Yes.
ibang team na naman yung titignan nila, yung bago nilang lalaroin na depensa at opensa eh.
Totoo. And one thing para dito sa APALIT, must win to sa kanila para hindi sila lumubog sa team standings, di ba? Dahil nga, 2 wins, 2 is the magic number for this semifinal round. Makadalawang panalo ka na, you're in a good spot to make it to the finals.
Shackle Arena checks in for Florida Blanca. There was foul against Lendl Garcia.
And also, JP Manuel, the hustle rising sun, andito rin on the floor for Florida Blanca.
As there will be an inbound with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Silvestre, back to Danting. Look at that move coming from Danting.
But better defense there by Jean Layug, the best shot blocker in this tournament.
Shackle Arena running against 4.
Pero pumawi si Montalvo at saka si Silvestre.
Look at that clean block coming from the 2 best guards. Look at that move. Shackle Arena drives. But there was Kent Montalvo.
Fingertip block there. Galing dito kay Montalvo.
3-point shot from Arena. In and out. Lendl Garcia.
Pull up.
Jumper. But there was, once again, jumper.
JD Harlego. Again, off the bench. Agad-agad nakapuntos na naman si JD.
Kahapon din, nung pagka-off the bench, naka 3 points yun eh.
Diba? Old reliable for Coach Zaldi Messina, itong si JD Harlego.
5.9K viewers on our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO.
In first quarter pa lang to, diba? Paano pa kaya mamaya? Good block again by Montalvo. And there's a foul on Manuel. Grabe ah. Kent Montalvo is everywhere para dito sa APALIT.
He should be. Because yesterday it wasn't a good game for Kent Montalvo.
Yes.
His numbers that was produced was not the usual, especially for Isaac Danting. The numbers was good, but suddenly he came short ng fourth quarter.
Pinulikat eh nung sa fourth quarter. And let's see if Ice is, less than 24 hours recovered already. Layo!
Too weak for JD Harlego. Ice was, nag-ano siya dito, senya siya kay JD na, it's fine. Coach Zaldi Messina. Former player, Coach Isel Santos, one of the coaching staff for Pampanga Giant Lanterns. I know that she's watching to our live. Happy watching, Coach Isel.
Look at that
But
drive by
move
Glenn.
coming from Glenn Del Rosario.
Great move by Glenn Gregorio right there, attacking the middle. Iniiwas pa niya sa shot blocking Montalvo.
And Enzo, this can be the redemption game for Harold Lopez.
Yes.
That yesterday was still suspended for being thrown out on their first game.
Yes, and ngayon, he's now on the bench. But look at Gregorio, mag-isa lang.
Look at that. You know, this has the advantage of Florida Blanca. There was always a shooter na nakaabante para pagka-rebound, binabato na lang yun. As we take a look, that pass coming from Danting, but Silvestre misses it. And there was Glenn Gregorio running. No one. 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. 11-10.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament, hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Of course, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and Coach Pedic Di Matulak. Talagang laging nakasuporta itong
Look
si
at that cap ni Gov
And
Delta. And also his son. Daniel.
Pineda.
Oo. And look at the cap. Champions, di ba? And pangarap yan ng mga bata dito na makapaglaro
Not only
sa
champion,
PGL. Oo.
but a national champion.
A triple crown national champion, di ba? Parang since 2022,
2020.
puro champion sila ng iba't ibang pro league,
That
di ba?
block coming from Jin Layug.
The best shot blocker in this tournament.
Speedy Harvey to Shaki Larita for 3.
They look good. Masyado nga lang malakas.
That is too strong. Rebound by Silvestre. Back to Isaac Dantig.
May buwelo na
Look at
again
that
behind the
pass
back.
coming from Danting. And there you have it. That dime is good for JD Harlego. Look at that.
He tried the behind the back kanina.
They're
Naging
finding
turnover.
their chemistry.
A foul. Foul underneath the basket. Is it gonna be on Montalvo? And penalty na to, so this will mean free throws.
Look at that fancy pass coming from Isaac Danting to JD Harlego. Knocks his first triple of the ball game.
Harlego now has 5 points coming off the bench, di ba? Agad-agad instant offense. But itong si Ice Danting, a different demeanor ngayon. Na alam na niya the defense is going to collapse on him. Every time he attacks, every time bebuelo siya to fly to the rim, ready na yung depensa sa kanya. Especially you're up against the best shot blocker in this tournament in Jin Layug, di ba? So if you're Danting, draw and kick. Atakihin mo and then kick it to an open shooter. Now it's up to your teammates to knock down the shot. But good job right there for Harlego for knocking it down.
Isa dun sa dapat bantayan neto nga Florida Blanca is itong si JD Harlego. Madami kasing shooter itong APALIT
Yes.
Coming off the bench. Especially isa din yung Edmar Dizon.
Yes, and yun yung counter. Magiging counter dapat dito na Florida Blanca. Extend. Dapat mabilis yung mga wings nila to extend and relocate the defender. But look at that pressure defense.
Danting with a jumper. Short.
Sa dulo, na-clip neto ni Salvador. Good defense na sana by Harvey.
But of course, you're facing a growling tiger himself. And look at the height difference of Isaac Danting to Speedy Harvey.
Pero palaban tong si Speedy Harvey.
Of course,
Alam
that's why he
natin yan.
was called Speedy Harvey.
Here's his Achilles heel. Ito talagang Achilles heel dito ni Ice Danting, the free throw line.
Alam mo, pinapractice niya kanina yung
Oo.
3-point shot niya, pati yung free throw niya.
But iba kasi minsan, when it's not just a 30-minute to 1-hour session mo ma-master yung free throws. It's an entire off-season mo siya. Kasi you're gonna have to work on the mechanics of your shooting form. You're gonna have to work on the breathing technique. Pati sa free throw shooting, may proper breathing technique din yan bago mo i-shoot. Kasi kakalma ka Mabagal yun, walang bantay, not in the flow of the game ang free throws.
As Isaac Danting will rest for a while, pinalitan siya dito ni Khaled Macapagal.
Good
Gregorio. How about that? Silvestre. The rebound, but there was a foul.
It's gonna be on
Penalty na
Manuel.
ito.
And Silvestre will go to the free throw line din. I mean, etong APALIT, I love it. The barometer is the free throw shooting. We've said that no quarterfinals 1 pa lang. Now, when they shoot their free throws well, they normally come out on top. When they don't shoot their free throws well, doon sila medyo nagkakaroon ng disarray on their offense. Nahihirapan silang sumetap ng shooters, hindi makashoot from 3-point line, hindi makashoot ng mid-range jumpers. Their barometer is normally their free throw shooting.
As Silvestre misses the first free throw. 55.9 seconds remaining.
2 free throws naman ang namintis. That's 3 free throws ang namintis dito na APALIT I Love It in the first quarter. 1 from Danting, 2 from Silvestre.
That Glenn Gregorio once again.
Sabit.
Dahil penalty na nga, magkaka-free throw pa. Itong si Glenn Gregorio, his chance to tie this ball game.
Grabe yung step up dito ni Gregorio last game for Florida
The absence
Blanca.
of Harold
Oo,
Lopez.
in the absence of Harold Lopez, di ba? Siya yung nag-step up. Kahit nung game na quarterfinals 2, the quarterfinals 2 where they qualified against San Simon, nung na-eject si Harold Lopez, it was Glenn Gregorio nag-step up big time for them. And re-reward siya ni Coach Vintage Ikban with a lot of minutes. Ang napakadaming minuto nito ni Gregorio in the last 2 ball games.
6
And look at
points
that.
now for Glenn Gregorio. And what a
Dagdag
steal
pa. Oh, good
coming
pass.
from Gregorio. Papunta kay Harold Lopez. And look at the crowd of Florida Blanca.
And another steal. Yun nga lang.
Khaled Macapagal.
Tayag passed it to nobody.
Nag-scramble sila doon sa kanilang opensa.
Oo. Kala niya nasa likod niya yung point guard niya. Paglingon niya, si Macapagal pala yung katabi niya. Final shot here for Florida Blanca.
9 seconds. We're tied at 16. 7. Shaka Arena for 3. Strong. Harold Lopez. There was no time. Tied at 16. What a first quarter for both teams.
Yes, and it was the shooting ability of APALIT kontra the defense of Florida Blancas.
Oh, that bounce pass
Oo.
of Luis Serrano sa kanyang pinsan. Look at
Pinsan
that.
to pinsan connection. And ito yung tres kanina ni Ice Danting.
First triple of the ball game care of the growing Tiger, Isaac Danting. And look at that, Glenn Gregorio against the 3. No hesitation on that one. And look at that fancy pass from Danting to JD Harlego. And look at that, Glenn Gregorio to Harold Lopez. What a move coming from both teams. And look at that reaction of the crowd. That's why we're tied at 16 at the end of the first quarter. Going back to our second quarter of this ball game, mga kasina, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page. Sinag Liga Asia, of course, the defending champions, is now back to defend their crown. Pampanga Delta together, of course, headed by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Hustle Rising Suns headed by Coach J.R. De La Cruz. And with Juan Kapampangan headed by Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan.
7 days to go, diba? Next
March
week,
17, 1 p.m. at SM South Mall, Las Piñas.
imagine mo this time next week, simula na ulit ng Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. I'm very excited.
Lalo ako.
Lahat naman ata siguro.
may halong excitement at kaba.
Normal yan. Good pass. The better block right there from behind by, was it itong si Cruz or was it Silvestre? It was Cruz, Justin Cruz with the block.
Look at that height of Cruz,
Oo.
giving that rejection. Talagang all out itong APALIT ngayon. Look at that Kerwin Manansala against Silvestre, who almost misses. Gregorio, jumper, that is short. Rebound by Khaled Macapagal. Macapagal against Gregorio and he
Grabe!
drives! Look at
Grabe!
that move coming from Khaled Macapagal.
Coast to coast from Khaled Macapagal. Nagulat ako siya yung nagbaba ng bola.
At
Hindi naman pala
dinire-diretso
kaya.
niya na yun.
Oo, kaya pala.
No play was set for there. It's Glenn Gregorio against Justin Cruz. Edmar Dizon, rather.
Good defense there by Dizon. Nasa scouting report siguro nila Coach Zaldi itong si Glenn Gregorio. But take a look at this beautiful
Gregorio
move.
and Shaki Lorina. At nasa likod pa yung si Kerwin Manansala. But he was able to knock that basket for APALIT. John Mirabel checks in. And Yuri Masibak will be back again.
Hindi alam ni Harlego na siya pala papalitan.
Sideline inbound for Lopez. Balik ang bola.
Layo.
Itayag. Almost a rebound for Manansala. Yuri Masibak to Dizon. Wala pang field goal itong si Yuri Masibak, ha. There was a whistle.
I think it's on Tayag.
Coach Vince Ekban, a national champion for Pampanga Delta. Now coaching for Florida Blanca. Cruz for three.
Look at the effort right there
Ano si
from the
Yuri
small
Masibak?
man.
Sino yung nasa likod niya?
That's Edmar Dizon.
Oh, it was Dizon.
Great rebound there by Dizon. Binaks out niya yung mas matangkad na Glenn Gregorio sa kanya. And
Nakakuha pa siya ng foul.
No choice ito si Gregorio but to foul him. And Coach Vince, binalik na agad ito si Jean Layog. Kasi nga nakikita nila, nabubutasan sila when APALIT drives and then nakukuhanan sila ng rebound. So they need Layog back on the floor for that purpose.
Dizon knocks the first free throw. It is also his first field goal of the ball game. 19-16. 2 out of 2 for Edmar Dizon.
Look at that defense. Face guard ang ginawa dito kay Kerwin Manansala. Hindi ba niya tinatanggap yung bola? Talagang hinarangan na nila makuha niya.
They need to stop Kerwin Manansala. Of course, he produced a double-double of 11 points and 12 rebounds.
Hirap pa siya sa larong yun, ha? Maalat pa siya. Look at that Serrano drive. Hindi lang pumasok for Jean.
There was Edmar Dizon against Aldrin Serrano. Look at that move coming from Edmar Dizon. That was too strong. Coach Azaldi, siya yung kumuha dito ng bola.
Nice pass daw sa kanya. But that's the Layog effect. Every time he's there, aatakihin niya. And offensive foul naman ang binigay niya dito. We're still moving.
20-16, a 4-point lead for APALIT. Look at Coach Vince Ekban. Parang umiinom siya ng may...
Nauhaw eh. Sa intense na laro, nauhaw na lang siya.
Yuri Masibak to Cruz.
Wide open.
Cruz for three. That was too strong. Glenn Gregorio on the basketball. Harold Lopez was asking for it. Layo yun, ha? For that attempt.
Kahirapan for Florida Blanca yung kanilang mga tira.
Look at that pass.
Again,
Strong once again.
the Layog effect. Out of bounds na.
Ganda ng depensa doon ng APALIT.
And look at that, yung magka-height na player. Lendal Garcia and Speedy Harvey Salvador. What a point guard matchup we have here.
I will be surprised if I will be seeing them wearing different jerseys sa ating sinagligasang. Sana makita natin tong dalawang to, no?
Yun nga yung inaasahan natin eh. Harold Lopez, hindi pa siya established sa floor nung pinasa sa kanya. Another turnover for Florida Blanca. Wala pa silang puntos dito and we're 3 minutes into this quarter already.
Lendal Garcia is back for APALIT together with Yuri Masibak, John Mirabel, Justin Cruz, and Yuri Masibak, and Khaled Makapagal. Look at that defense coming from Speedy Harvey.
Good
Nice
kick out.
pass. Oh, what a triple coming from Justin Cruz.
Great time right there by Garcia, finding a shooter. Nag-collapse yung buong depensa ng Florida Blanca and Justin Cruz knocking down this triple.
Look at that, Yuri Masibak running against Speedy Harvey. Kick out coming from Cruz all the way from APALIT Pampanga. 6 minutes and 42 seconds, 23-16.
Okay, ngayon naman, take a break on action. Ito po, kiss cam. Husband and wife, wag pong maya. You may kiss your lips. Live po tayo, wag pong maya. Nandiyan ang anak na totoo. You may now kiss your wife. Come on. Yun! Kaduluran na ka. O, isa pa, isa pa. Kiss ka! Wag mong maya! Wag mong maya! Punong-puno tayo dito sa BREN. One kiss sa lips mo do. Come on! Wag mong maya, mga kabalin. Huwag nahiya si Mister. Wag mong maya, ma'am. Anyway, we'll have more. Ato mo. Kaya, isa pa. One kiss to the lips mo. Ayaw niya.
Look at how happy we are inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Look at this Kapampangan.
Oh, I'm a happy family. Sunday is family day, di ba? Nakita naman natin may pamilya na nandito nanonood, di ba? Sunday is always family day. What better way to celebrate Sunday when you watch basketball and you're supporting your own city or municipality dito, di ba? Sa Delta Cup.
There was a foul against Mirabel.
Jean Layog, you look and see Layog. Focus siya on defense. Not really so much on offense kasi mas sa depensa siya inaasahan ng Florida Blanca.
Serrano.
Layo!
Kerwin Manansala on the rebound. Harold Lopez for the jumper. Khaled Macapagal once again. Are we seeing him again do that move?
Good
No,
pass.
he passes it to Masibak. Misses. Look at that. A possession for APALIT.
Napunta sa akin eh.
Ikaw na daw mag-shoot.
Ang layo ko naman. Mapapahiya pa ako sa dami ng crowd dito pag tinira ko yun.
7-point lead for APALIT, the biggest lead of the ball game. Nice pass. Look at that, Yuri Masibak
Travel.
against three, but there was a traveling violation. Great D coming from Florida Blanca.
Yes. Naiwanan si Serrano off the initial move dito ni Masibak. Kerwin Manansala was there to shut down that baseline.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano, para dito sa kanyang second quarter update. Daphne, take it away.
Regardless of coming from a win, Florida Blanca's Kerwin Manansala believes that they should still continue to exert more efforts than their last game. As they say, never settle for less. He also stated that as the kuya of the team, one of his goals is to guide his teammates in order to maintain their composure until the end of the match. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Daphne. Never settle for less. That was from Kerwin Manansala.
Oo, never settle for less. Kaya nga ito si Aldrin Serrano. Hindi magsisettle to just 2 points. Kailangan basket and 1 daw yung kanyang tira dito.
Look at that. Already 8 points for Aldrin Serrano.
Grabe, if this kid is this good in his first big tournament participation, paano pa kaya next season, di ba? And tinan mo kanya pa yung rebound.
And one play is not complete. But it's 4 against 1.
Dribble infraction.
18 to 23. Babasa. 5 ang kalamangan.
And that's just the, by the way, yung layup na yun ni Serrano is the first point of the quarter dito ng Florida Blanca. It took them nearly 5 minutes and 48 seconds to score.
Danting bumalik na para sa APALIT.
Good steal by Harvey.
That was too strong for Speedy Harvey. Sideline inbound for APALIT. Look at Coach Vince Ekban.
Their defense is holding up yung offense lang nila yung wala pa ngayon for Florida Blanca. But also credit APALIT's defense din naman.
Danting. Running against Aldrin Serrano. Nice pass to Montalvo.
Great hedge there by Layog. Na-late lang siya sa pag-revert back to his to the man niya. Na-late lang siya. Ang ganda na ng hedge niya eh. Tinanggalan nila ng driving lane si Danting. Pero yung pagbalik niya dun kay Montalvo, medyo na-late ng konti. And Kent, alam natin, pag binigyan mo yan ng lane to the basket, he will attack and attack.
5-point lead now for APALIT with 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining in our first half. Kent Montalvo now with 4 points after that free throw. Two out of 2 for Montalvo. Substitution on the floor. Alquero will check in for Kerwin Manansala.
Akala ni Layog siya yung siya yung may isa sub.
4 minutes and 32 seconds.
Layo. Itong Florida Blanca, they're forced to shoot long three-pointers dahil sa haba nito mga players ng APALIT. Di rin sila makatake sa gitna. Nag-aabang dun ito si Kent Montalvo and kanina si Khaled Makapagal.
25-18, a 7-point lead for APALIT. Cruz. Back to Kent Montalvo. Isaac Danting is free on the right corner. Pero lilipat itong si Danting. Jumper for Montalvo, too strong. Rebound by Danting. Seconds on the shot clock, Lendl Garcia. Look
Good
at
block.
that. There was a block against Shaki Lorina.
Still no basket in the second quarter para dito kay Lendl Garcia. Air ball for Danting.
Still a 7-point lead for APALIT. With 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for our second period.
Traveling na naman, tawag kay Orina. Good pull the chair defense galing dito kay Justin Cruz.
3 minutes and 39 seconds. Three minutes and 30 seconds remaining. (25 to 18). Still a 7-point lead for APALIT. There was a foul. Kent Montalvo will be sent once again on the free throw line.
And look at Jin Layug really trying his best dito. He's really trying his best to defend itong mga matatangkad na players ng APALIT. But then again, when you got a big guy like Kent Montalvo can play from the inside and outside. Medyo mag-iisip ko si Jin Layug, papapatirahin ko ba ng tres? Papaatakihin ko ba? Pick your poison type of player tong si Montalvo eh. What are you gonna give me? Oo, di ba? 2 out of 2 as you said.
Alam mo, mas una silang lumabas ng dugout. Yan yung pinapractice nila, yung free throw shooting nila.
Yun nga talaga si barometer nila. It's their free throw shooting. It's good move there by Serrano.
You got that floater coming from Aldrin Serrano. Still a 7-point lead for APALIT. 27
Look at that
to 20.
pass! What a pass! What a pass by
And look
Danting!
at that eye coming from Josh Perez as he comes off the bench.
Grabe itong mga bench ng APALIT. Nagsi-step up big time in this game.
RB. Pero nandito si Gregorio para sa rebound.
Ayaw pa rin.
Off to the right. Alquera with the last touch. So there will be a sideline inbound for APALIT.
APALIT's defense is really holding up. Even yung mga open shots na babother. Itong Florida Blanca kung may sasabay pa ba on the tail end. And look at them give space to Ice for an easy attack right here.
Look at that, Isaac Danting. Oh, block.
Good tap there by Alquero. Alam nila, masyado nang malalim. Papasa na lang ni Ice to. Tinaas na lang nila yung kamay nila just to protect the paint. Ends up with a turnover for APALIT.
2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining.
Good pass by Serrano. Great time by Serrano and great flash to the middle by Alquero.
Lendl Garcia. Still a 7-point lead for APALIT. Danting for 3. Niluwa lang yun. Umikot lang sa ring. Speedy Harvey. Serrano, ang layo.
No hesitation.
Rebound by Josh Perez. Back to Kent Montalvo. Lendl Garcia to Isaac Danting. Kay Garcia ang bola. It's against Serrano, but there was a guard against Montalvo. And there you have it. Ice misses on the corner, but he knocks it on the wing.
Yan na, ito na yung iniintay ng APALIT, yung pumutok yung kamay ni Ice Danting. Now a 10-point lead, the biggest of this ball game now.
I'm seeing a tape on left wrist. Kahapon yun yung iniinda niya, nag-free throw siya eh.
Malalim for Serrano. And yun nga, yung left wrist ni Ice Danting is his shooting hand.
32-22, 10-point lead for APALIT, the biggest lead of the ballgame. As look at that pass coming from Lendl Garcia. And Ice knocks that triple coming from the left wing. 7.2K viewers in our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO.
That's the counter right here by Shaq Orina. Baba ang kalamangan sa 7.
53.9 seconds remaining. Baba sa 7 ang kalamangan from the 10th biggest lead of the ball game.
What a game we are being treated to. First half pa lang to.
After that triple, it alarms Coach Zaldi Messina. Kaya napatawag siya dito ng timeout. And
Look at the fans.
fans.
Look at the fans. But one thing para dito sa APALIT, it's a tale of two halves, especially when you're facing itong Florida Blanca. As we can see, ang ating mga fans dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga.
Full capacity BREN GUIAO today.
For 3 consecutive days, di ba? Full capacity tayo.
Kahapon ang aga ng laro, 10 a.m.
10 a.m.
Puno
puno
pa rin.
agad.
And now 1 p.m. Tapos na yung magsimba ang mga tao.
Yes.
And they spent the rest of their family day here
Tapos-
inside the BREN GUIAO.
Tapos na magsimba, tapos na mamalengke for the week.
Wala na. Kaya it's time to
Diretso
spend
dito.
their day here sa mainit nating labanan dito sa ating semifinals.
Kahit malamig sa BREN, no? Dito sa BREN GUIAO, malamig. Pero
Tapos ang init sa labas,
Oo,
sa
init sa labas.
mahangin.
Dinasabayan ng init ng laro eh. Good move by Silvestre.
Nakakuha pa siya ng foul doon.
Great up and under move by Christian Silvestre, just powering through Alquero and itong si Orina.
But he misses the 2 free throws earlier.
Oo, yun
So
talaga
he
eh.
needs to knock down those 2 free throws. And there you have it. Coming from that breeze, you know that Silvestre will knock that first throw. 41.5 seconds remaining.
1 out of 2.
Rebound by Orina. Orina running. And it's Josh Perez. Isaac Danting on the rebound, on the guard rather.
Great rotation on the defensive end galing dito kay sa APALIT. I love it. But on the tail end, umatake itong si Shaq Orina. Nag-collapse bigla yung depensa.
.1, 33-25. Timeout for Coach Vince Patrick Ikban. After the timeout, there will be an inbound.
Yes, and one thing para dito kay Coach Vince Igban, you are down by 8 points. You have to cut this lead to at least 6 or 4, especially ito as SLA goes to Visayas. SLA born 2004 and born 2007. April 2024 na po yan.
For interested teams, please send a message to our Deputy Commissioner for Sinag Liga Asa Visayas, Commissioner Paul Hoven at 0917-855-5565. Let's look at this.
May sumasayaw ng water. Water by Tyla ba yun? Huwag mo na ulitin yan.
And look at that!
Yun yung mga tipong yung mga kaibigan mo, titingnan mo na lang eh. Kasama pa ba natin sa susunod? Sama nyo, nakaka-excite eh.
Shaq Orina misses the 3. Off to the left. Kuha ni Garcia ang bola. Garcia taking the time. 13 on the shot clock, 15 on the game clock. Danting. Josh Perez.
Good defense by Alquero, pero nawala pa sa kanya. A chance para dito sa Florida Blanca to hit the last shot of the second quarter and also gain a little bit of momentum. This was a flat second quarter for them. You need to start strong in the third. Sayang pa rin, wala pa rin for Kerwin.
There was no time for them para ma-replenish nila yung offense nila ngayon. But 33-25. 8-point lead for APALIT. I love it. Ending our first half of the ball game. For a second quarter run. Para dito sa parehong kupunan. Take a look. That move coming from Speedy Harvey back to Aldrin Serrano. No hesitation and end one play. And that nice pass coming from Danting. Papunta dito kay Josh Perez. And look at that. Aldrin Serrano once again to Alquero. What the move coming from the hostile Rising Sun players, and that triple coming from Isaac, that thing on the left wing. No hesitation. Also, look at that. APALIT, I love it crowd was too happy after the 3 points coming from the thing. That's why an 8-1 lead for APALIT, I love it, at the end of the second quarter. Kaya tutok lamang po mga kabalin, magpapalik kami para sa laban ng APALIT, I love it, kontra ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca para sa Delta Cup 2024 semifinals.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Good afternoon mga ka-Delta, and we are now currently here for our halftime interview with Secretary Glenn Danting of the Municipality of APALIT. Kamusta po kayo ngayon, Sec?
Well, okay naman. Magandang nararamdaman natin dahil lamang tayo.
Now that APALIT is currently leading, ano po ang masasabi ninyo for the team?
Ulit, ano yung sabi?
Ngayon pong leading po kayo, ano po yung masasabi nyo para sa team?
Well, maganda yung outcome ng first half. The players are playing the way we wanted them to play. So, so far, satisfied kami. And masaya yung mga tao. Masaya kami.
Ayun, now that your son is also playing for APALIT, what would you like to say to him?
Well, we've always wanted to serve APALIT in the best way we can. Kung ang basketball ang isang dahilan para maka-contribute kami sa pagsaya ng tao, and then we will do it. And I'm glad that his mother team sa university allowed him to play for Pampanga.
Yan. Meron po ba kayong gustong pasalamatan or batiin?
Of course, binabati ko po ang mga libo-libong fans ng APALIT. I love it. Mabuhay po kayo. Viva Abogiro!
Kaya naman, stay tuned mga ka-Delta para sa ating third and fourth quarter. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Daphne. And of course, thank you to the father of Isaac Danting, the secretary for the municipality of APALIT, Secretary Glenn Danting. At the end of the first half, 33-25 is our score. 8-point lead for APALIT. I love it. Look at that drive coming from Aldrin Serrano. Look at that pass of Garcia. Pabalik dito kay Danting. And look at that move coming from Harvey Salvador. And look at that kick out coming dito kay Yuri Masibak. Papunta kay Justin Cruz. And look at that. Against 4. But there was Alquero. Look at the crowd of Florida Blanca. The leading scorers of the halftime, Aldrin Serrano with 10, Glenn Gregorio with 6, and Shaquille Orina for 3. At para sa panig ng APALIT, Kent Montalvo with 7, Isaac Danting with 7, and JD Harlego with 5.
Ano sabi ni Ice after that? Galing sila sa dugout nila, pangit pa laro niya. Pangit pa ba laro mo? Taas na standards niya. Pangit pa daw laro niya, pero yung team niya, itong APALIT, I love it. For sure, hindi niya sasabihin pangit laro nila. Kasi maganda yung simula nila dito sa first quarter and second quarter natin. In the first half, maganda. But then again, like I said, itong Florida Blanca, they're a second half team. They adjust really well coming out of the half. So, itong APALIT, they need to be ready for this third quarter storm of Florida Blanca. So, you know, we take a look at that. Anong mangyayari dito sa huddle dito ng Florida Blanca? What have they talked about? What are the adjustments Coach Vince Ban did? And I'm looking at it right now. Speedy Harvey will start the second half. And they go small ball. Alquero and Manansala, ang two big man nila. No Jean Layug to start off the second half for Florida Blanca.
8-point lead as we enter the second half of this ball game.
One guy para dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca that needs to get hot is itong si Speedy Harvey. He needs to come out and be Speedy Harvey once again. Kailangan niyang umiscore dito. Kailangan niya i-control yung defense.
Speedy Harvey to Serrano, back to...
Travel. Clear travel right there on Glenn Gregorio.
Early turnover for Florida Blanca. Ganyan lumamang kanina nung first quarter itong APALIT. Sa mga yung 4 consecutive turnovers ng Florida Blanca.
Yes, and one thing para dito sa Florida Blanca, that's not the way you wanted to start this second half. But, pwede kayong bumawi next time down.
Jumper from Lendel Garcia, off to the left.
3-on-2.
Sayang yun, ang ganda sana.
Oo.
Rebound by Danting.
Look at that baseball pass right there by Ice.
Another jumper. Nakuha na ni Garcia. Look at the reaction coming from him after that jumper.
Well, he was being well defended in the first half. 1 out of 5, only 2 points si Lendel so far. And finally, he knocks down another jumper. 4 points now to his tally.
And a 10-point lead for APALIT, the biggest lead of the ball game. Speedy Harvey back to Glenn Gregorio. Balik ang bola kay Salvador. Serrano.
Grabe. May magnet yung bola sa kamay dito ni Serrano.
Si Luis Serrano, medyo hindi siya nagagamit na itong first half. Kasi nga, di ba, meron siya naging injury niya sa left shoulder niya.
Right at the get-go ng laro natin, he was already holding on to that right shoulder. As let's take a look at this beautiful jumper dito ni Lendel Garcia. 4 points now to his name.
Too weak for Aldrin Serrano on that free throw. Usually, mataas yung percentage nito ni Aldrin Serrano sa free throw.
Oh. And dito rin nga rin, as we talked about yesterday, the fatigue factor, di ba? Yung pagod nila, coming from the quarterfinals 1, quarterfinals 2, and then dito sa semifinals, you know, yung conditioning ng mga players have to be in tip-top shape. Parang makatuloy-tuloy kayo sa finals, hindi kayo pwedeng bumitaw dito in the last few games of the tournament. And for Florida Blanca, yung 11 consecutive victories nyo, hindi lang yun yung nakasalalay. Ang nakasalalay dito is a good spot, a good chance na mapakabot kayo sa finals. Baka dalawang panalo lang kayo. That's a traveling violation ng Danting. Baka dalawang panalo lang kayo, you're already in a good position to make it to the finals.
Kaya nga gustong-gusto ng APALIT na sila na yung makaabante dito ng malaking puntos.
Oo.
Because if in any case, yung ating semifinals na single round robin as a triple. Coming from Florida Blanca, care of Speedy Harvey.
Yes, again, like I said, Harvey Salvador needs to be the one. Needs to revert back to Speedy Harvey na nakita natin sa Hustle Rising Suns na nagtitake over every game. They need him to be that Harvey Salvador in today's ball game, especially in the second half if they want to win and put themselves in a good position to make it into the finals.
7-point lead for APALIT with 8 minutes and 5 seconds.
1-on-1. Naging 1-on-3 pero nandun si Masibak.
Look at that. Nakafocus kasi sila kay Silvestre yung apat, pero nandun si Yuri Masibak sa ilalim eh. Kaya nung nawala sa kamay ni Silvestre yung bola, talagang drive na yun ni Yuri.
Mismatch kasi. Gregorio nakabantay sa kanya. As Gregorio gets clobbered there by Montalvo. Good defense by Kent. Just hands up defense.
Another inbound for APALIT. Almost a miss for Yuri Masibak. Kidanting ang bola. 9-point lead. Danting will drive.
Oh, what a pass!
Look at that pass coming from Danting.
Travel. Lendl traveled there. And he knew it. Pagtira niya, tumingin siya sa mga referees eh. Baka yun yung nangyari. Kung di siya tumingin, baka mamaya he could have gotten away with that travel, di ba?
Ganda ng pasa na yun ni Ice. 7 minutes. Lendl Garcia. Isaac Danting.
May buwelo!
Pag nakita mo ng bumuelo yan.
Oh. Well, that's the mistake of Harvey Salvador. He called for a horns play. You cannot split the defense on a horns play. Wala kang spasyo to do that.
Another turnover for Florida Blanca. 3 against 1.
And it,
Bumuelo again!
akala ko dunk na.
Back-to-back, 2 points coming from Isaac Danting. And now a 13-point lead for APALIT.
And 11 points now to Ice Danting's name. Akala ko dadakdak na eh. Bumebuelo na siya eh.
Speedy Harvey.
Pasabit. Wise move there by Harvey Salvador.
But that's coming from Isaac Danting.
That is the perfect angle for that layup. Kitang-kita how high he jumped for it.
That lefty Isaac Danting.
Here, Speedy Harvey needs to start catching fire one more time.
Niluwa pa.
Oo. Hirap ngayon itong Florida Blanca.
Oh, out of 2 for Speedy Harvey. Look at Vice Mayor Peter Nucondo.
Oo.
Nasabi niya sa APALIT na mag-cheer daw.
Eh, gumana eh. Nagmintis yung dalawang free throws. May
Yuri
buwelo.
Masibak. May steal pa ulit ni Masibak doon kay Kerwin Manansala.
Not giving up. Itong si Masbak giving him another possession.
5 seconds on the shot clock. Another turnover for APALIT.
Florida Blanca needs to do something right now. You're getting the stops. You just need to convert some baskets. Pero hindi sila hinahayaan dito na APALIT to get open looks. Everything has been contested. Even this one, but no problem. Sabi ni Serrano.
He really needs to step up. Kasi di ba si Luis Serrano kahapon, as there was a whistle.
Foul on Salvador.
Speedy Harvey is fouled.
Gaano kalayo yun eh. Nagulat itong si Masibak eh. Kung titira ba itong si Serrano from way downtown. If I'm not mistaken, unang 3-point conversion yan ni Aldrin Serrano ngayon. Yes, it is. 1 out of 4 now si Aldrin Serrano.
JP maglalang checks in. Big guys now. Rudy masibak. At parang babawi itong si Danting. Masyadong malakas lang yun.
Good defense by Makapagal. Good
block.
defense by Makapagal.
Nice rejection coming from JP Maglalang. Inbound for Danting. Garcia with the basketball. Lendl, nice bounce pass to JP Maglalang. Balik kay Lendl Garcia ang bola. Jumper once again. Too strong. At JP Maglalang. Shaki Lorina.
That's the way to go if you're Florida Blanca. Bago pa makaset up yung depensa netong Apalit, takbo nyo na agad. You have a small ball lineup, meaning you should play fast. You can't play slow when you have a small ball lineup.
Pero dito na tong si Alquero. No Jane Layug for Florida Blanca.
Wala pa rin si Layug, di ba? It's already past the midway point of the quarter.
JD Harlego checks in for Apalit. And
Wala
again,
pa rin yung free throw.
ingay ng Apalit works for that free throw.
Gumagana, natutuwa tuloy yung fans. So, ulit-ulitin nila yan until it doesn't work anymore. Ayaw pa rin,
But
0 for 2.
it still worked for the fans of Apalit.
So 0 for 4 na sila in their last 2 trips to the free throw line.
Danting to Maglalang. Napalakas lang yung pasa doon, JP Maglalang.
Kalata niya si Montalvo, papasahan niya. Ang taas nung pasa para kay Garcia.
There will be a sideline inbound for Harold Lopez. This is his redemption game after being suspended yesterday on the first game at our semifinals. John Mirabel checks in for Maglalang.
Big lineup kontra small ball.
Shaki Lorina. Still a 10-point lead for Apalit.
Again, good defense na naman. Galing dito sa Apalit, really shutting down the painted area and almost daring etong Florida Blanca to attack the defense.
Sinabi na itong si
kailangan
Edmar
nakapag-in.
Dizon.
Kailangan nakatuck-in, kundi mate-technical foul siya for uniform rule.
Lendl Garcia. Lendl back to Danting. There's a foul.
Counted yan.
Sasabihan pa niya tayo na hindi pa daw maganda yung laro niya.
13 points na, hindi pa maganda laro mo. Ano yung standard nito ni Danting? 40 dapat, halftime. Look at that move. No dribble needed after the contact and ice with that patented one-leg jumper on the baseline.
Now a 12-point lead for Apalit after that beautiful move from Danting. And one play isn't complete. Rebound by Manansala. Speedy Harvey to Shaki Lorina. To Alquero, back to Harvey, Salvador. Ang layo!
That's the shot. Yun lang inaalaw na tira dito ng Apalit. Yung mga long three-pointers for Florida Blanca, that's not a high percentage shot if you're Coach Vince Icban's boys.
Edmar Dizon. Naka-last topic pa itong Florida Blanca.
Oo, si Salvador tried to jump high to get that rebound. Di lang niya na-control.
Mayor, of course, the Municipality Admin Secretary Glenn Danting of Apalit, the father of Ice Danting.
Who's always watching the game para dito sa Apalit. I love it, diba? Laging nag-cheer for Apalit even before Ice was in the team.
There's no foul for Ice. Harold Lopez, scramble.
Great recovery by Garcia.
May agaw dito ni Alquero.
Oh, what a block!
Pero
Foul
may
daw.
sabit pa.
Oo.
For Khaled Makapagal.
Great counter steal by Alquero.
Take a look at the replay.
Oh, he clipped him on the head. bola nga, but natamaan niya yung ulo din on the follow-through of the block. And Alquero will go to the line.
Pinalitan siya dito ni JP Maglalang.
That's two. There should be 2 free throws.
Look at the crowd of APALIT.
Kahit sila natawa eh. Kala ni Maglalang, isang free throw lang eh.
Gumagana pa rin itong chant ng APALIT, ah.
6 consecutive free throw misses na. 2 from Salvador, 2 from Harold Lopez, and 2 from Alquero. That's 6 points, di ba? Look at that thing with the dance move. Ice!
Buelo! Pero nandun si Lender Garcia.
No, bitawan lang niya eh. We know what he wanted to do there.
To 31, still a 12-point lead for APALIT. The biggest lead of the ball game is 13. There's a foul against Shaki Lorina. So Lendel Garcia will be sent to the free throw line.
Right here, APALIT can extend this lead further up with their free throws. They're shooting better from the line compared to Florida Blanca. Nagpalit yung percentage eh. It's normally Florida Blanca ang magaling mag-free throw and APALIT inconsistent. But today, APALIT's the better free throw shooter.
And we can see na talagang pinaghandaan nila yung mga free throw shooting nila.
Oo.
Kasi di ba yan talaga yung pinapractice nila? As 2 out of 2 now for Lendel Garcia. If there was 6 consecutive misses for Florida Blanca, that's the 6 consecutive free throw shots for APALIT.
That will be free throws for Harvey Salvador.
Tinawag dito sa bench si Edmar Dizon on how he will defend itong si Speedy Harvey. Of course, sabi mo nga, Enzo, isa lang ang paraan para madepensahan ng isang Speedy Harvey Salvador. Tignan mo kung saan siya pupunta.
Yes, but Manuel is on the free throw line. Also away from the basketball ang Pito doon.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano, para dito sa kanyang third quarter update. Daphne, take it away.
According to Florida Blanca, to close the gap, they have to be more aggressive in terms of their defense in order to stop the opponent from scoring. They should also be consistent in terms of their running game, both on the court and in terms of points, to not be left behind. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Daphne. As that's 7 consecutive misses sa ating free throw line for Florida Blanca. What's that?
Foul na naman. Ito si Orina. That will be, I believe, his 3rd or 4th foul na. 3rd nga.
Kailangan niyang ingatan ng mga foul na nakocommit niya. As ito, pumasok na si Luis Serrano. Together.
Still trying to shake off that right shoulder. Kita mo, pagpasok niya, parang ginagalaw niya ng ginagalaw yung right shoulder niya.
Kasama niya dito si Glenn Gregorio. Kerwin Manansala, Harold Lopez for Florida Blanca. 14-point lead for APALIT.
And Lopez got fouled on the rebound. So, pupunta naman tayo sa kabila to shoot free throws din. And itong Florida Blanca has been 1 out of 8 from the free throw line. Only JP Manuel has hit a free throw dito sa 3rd period. Everyone else, wala pang nasushoot. Let's see if Harold Lopez, who also missed 2 free throws kanina, can finally make at least 1.
Christian Silvestre will check in for John Mirabel. Ayun na, napasok ni Harold Lopez.
Lucky bounce yun, ha? Akala ko wala pa eh.
Two out of 2 now for Lopez.
Finally, 2 out of 2 for Florida Blanca.
But still a 12-point lead for APALIT. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Edmar Dizon. Justin Cruz.
A good give and go. But better
Strong.
defense by Kerwin.
Luis Serrano.
Alam nila anong gagawin na itong Florida Blanca. Alam nila, aatake sa gitna and they'll swing it to the corner or the wing. nababasa ng mga guards dito ng APALIT yung gustong gawin ng Florida Blanca.
JP Manuel to Glenn Gregorio.
Moving screen na naman.
Sideline and bud for Ed Mardizon after that foul by Kerwin Manansala. Justin Cruz against the number 7 then, Glenn Gregorio. Cruz running again. What a move coming from Justin Cruz. Silvestre on the rebound.
Good pass.
Ed Mardizon. Look at that guy. No hesitation on that shot kahit nagtatangkad ng mga magre-reject sa kanya.
Ang ganda ng pasa kasi dito ni Silvestre. Finally a basket right here for Florida Blanca.
Bawian lang sila dito. JP Maglalang against Kerwin Manansala. Almost a miss pass, but Ed Mardizon was there. JP Maglalang asked for the ball. Balik kay Justin Cruz. Jumper now for Cruz. That is too strong. 7.6K viewers in our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO. And a full capacity here at BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Not to be overreacting, talagang super full capacity. Look at, nakatayo na sila sa mga hagdan.
Yes, and semifinals pa lang to. What more pa kaya sa finals, di ba? But ito, JP Manuel got pushed by Ed Mardizon. So another chance for Florida Blanca to cut the lead down from the free throw line. But they have to make their free throws. As I say that again, another miss for Florida Blanca.
JP Manuel misses that free throw.
Lane violation.
From 7.2K, wala pang isang minuto. We're now at 7.7 thousand viewers.
Dami, oh.
Kahapon 11 eh, no?
12.
12,000
We finished as
na mataas.
12,000. Nag-check tayo, 11. Pero natapos sila 12,000 viewers eh. Good pass to the middle. Good call by our officials. Ang tagal dun ni Maglalang sa gitna ay.
48 to 36. Still a 12-point lead for APALIT with 34.9 seconds remaining in our third period. Nakita mo yung bagsak ni Gregorio dito sa table. Nagulat si Coach Leo eh. Gregorio.
Ayaw pa rin talaga for Glenn Gregorio. Silvestre just putting his hands up there, being a brick wall. The great wall of Silvestre in the middle.
Last possession for APALIT. 18 seconds. 10 seconds now.
May mismatch.
Ed Mardizon. Great D coming from Florida Blanca. 12-point lead for APALIT. I love it. 48 to 36 at the end of the third period. From the 7-point lead when we entered our third quarter, look at that triple coming from Speedy Harvey Salvador. Look at that pass coming from Danting. Yuri Masibak to Lendal Garcia with the jumper. His redemption jumper after he misses the floater, and look at that. Aldrin Serrano from way downtown. No hesitation. And yung buelo ni Isaac Danting on that drive makes this crowd of APALIT wild and wild at the end of the third quarter. 48 to 36. 12-point lead for APALIT as we enter the fourth and final quarter of this ball game. APALIT, I love it, together with Isaac Danting on your screens, Ed Mardizon, JD Harleco, Coach Zaldi Messina. 14 points, 9 rebounds, and 4 assists kagabi. Itong si Isaac Danting against Level Up Lubao.
Pero nagkulang sa dulo, especially when he got hobbled with cramps. Parehong legs ni Ice Danting pinulikat dun sa last 2 minutes ng laro. That's why he was unable to finish the game. But in today's ball game, what a way to bounce back. This is how he started with a 3-point shot. And look at that all-around numbers. 13 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists. May mga steals pa yan. Block na lang ang kulang dito ni Danting.
That's why, sabi pa niya sa atin kanina, hindi daw maganda yung laro niya. Gusto ata na ito 40 at the end of the first half eh.
Well, pressure makes diamonds. And so let's see if there's a diamond game para dito sa APALIT right now to knock off the hottest team in the entire league, itong Florida Blanca.
Danting. Edmar Dizon. Justin Cruz. Look at that tap coming from Christian Silvestre.
Volleyball player ata ito eh.
Now a 14-point lead for APALIT, the biggest lead of the ball game. And Gregorio to Harold Lopez. It's a traveling violation. Another turnover for Florida Blanca.
The defense of APALIT, every time a player from Florida Blanca attacks, they're shutting down that driving lane. Dalawang player agad sinasarado yun. And that's another turnover via traveling violation on the same defensive coverage.
Danting again with the basketball for 3. Too strong.
Sumabit itong si Justin Cruz.
Taas ng talon doon ni Glenn Gregorio eh. There will be a sideline inbound for Florida Blanca. 14-point lead for APALIT, the biggest lead of the ball game. Harold Lopez. Back to Shaquille Orina. Orina once again against Danting. For the jumper.
Ayaw pa rin talaga.
Off to the left, rebound by Dizon.
They're really struggling at the Florida Blanca. This is not the Florida Blanca we saw as an offensive foul, a push by Silvestre on Harold Lopez. Hey, look at the fans dito na APALIT. Gusto ko yung mga chant nila eh. Take a look at this. He just literally just trucked etong si Lopez. You know, just trucked him there.
Harold Lopez. Glenn Gregorio. Balik kay Lopez ang bola.
Nawala na naman.
Nice D. Edmar Dizon running against 4.
Wide open si Ice. Great patience by APALIT.
8 minutes and 14 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Danting against Shaquille Orina. Nag-scramble doon. Kasi hindi nila inakala ipapasa yun ni Ice.
Oh, hindi. Again, kanina in the first half, Ice did up behind the back, right on the money for JD Harlego. But again, you cannot be fancy sa mga ganitong klaseng laro. You don't attempt anything fancy. Keep it simple lang kasi ikakapitalize yun. Buti na nga lang, pumito yung referee na out of bounds eh. Kundi, easy layup yun for Florida Blanca on the other end.
Kasi lahat ng APALIT nasa ilalim nila eh.
Oo.
Serrano for 3. Masyado malakas.
May buwelo si Ice. May buwelo si Ice!
Sayang yun. Speedy Harvey. 3-point shot for Orina. Rebound by
pa rin
Silvestre.
talaga. Hirap na hirap itong Florida Blanca to get anything going from the outside. Their last 3-pointer came by the 7-minute and 30-second mark. Yung long 3-pointer ni Serrano. After that, wala. No 3-point makes after that shot.
Justin Cruz. 3-point shot. There you go for Justin Cruz. Nanghingi lang siya ng screen doon kay Silvestre.
Do not go under when shooter ang may hawak ng bola. Rule number 1 of playing defense.
But there's a foul once again. JP maglalang.
Away from the basketball. Another foul away from the basketball from APALIT. Ang dami nilang ganung fouls.
There will be an inbound with 14 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Josh Perez will check in. 7.3K viewers in our Facebook page.
Ayaw pa rin for Aldrin Serrano. He's really out of sync in this ball game.
And doon na talaga Enzo papasok yung pagod nila talaga.
Oo.
Imagine, 11 consecutive wins. And not to mention na dire-diretso yung laro natin this week for them.
Oo. Di natin alam ang preparation time nila for this ball game. As there you go. Oh! A foul whistled on Layug.
Nice eye coming from Silvestre dito kay Dizon.
Fourth personal foul on Jin Layug. Let's take a look at this.
Dismayado si Jin Layog.
And a warning on the bench of Florida Blanca for improper bench decorum.
Look at the pressure that has been given by the crowd of Florida Blanca to Edmar Dizon. Now a 20-point lead for APALIT. Rather. 7.6K viewers on our Facebook page.
Napako na tong Florida Blanca.
Ayaw pa din talaga para kay Aldrin Serrano.
But right now, he's going to the free throw line. Gagawa at gagawa yan ng paraan para makakuha siya ng basket.
Aldrin Serrano on the free throw line. 19-point lead for APALIT, the biggest lead of the ball game. That's too weak for Aldrin Serrano. One out of two for Serrano. Basta 18 ang kalamangan.
They need to get a stop talking about Florida Blanca. APALIT is just getting everything they want on the offensive end.
Edmar Dizon.
Offensive foul.
Josh Perez. Ang natawagan doon. Tingnan mo itong second floor ng ating BREN GUIAO. May nakatayo na, may nakaupo pa. Misses for Speedy Harvey. Jin Layug against 5. Speedy Harvey for 3.
Way off the mark.
5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. An 18-point lead for APALIT. 19-point lead is the biggest lead of the ball game. Danting for 3. Masyadong malakas for Danting.
There's the stop. Go run.
Pero may tapik ni Edmar Dizon.
Foul on Justin Cruz right there.
Penalty na dito itong APALIT.
They need this free throws galing dito sa Florida Blanca. They need to hit their free throws. Pero unti-unti nang lumalamang itong APALIT. 55-37, 5 minutes and 32 remaining in this ball game.
Delta Cup fans, ito na naman tayo para sa ating Kiss Cam. Yon camera, wag kumaya. Isang halik sa labi lang po, sir, ma'am. Just to show your love. Yon! Yan! Artistahin pala si sir. Ito ba isa, to show your love, just one kiss to the lips will do. Wag kumaya, ma'am. Jump back po tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO. Just one kiss to the lips, ma'am. Mayayain si madam. O, ito. O, one kiss to the lips. Huwag pumaya. Ipakita ang iyong pagmamahal for this kiss ka. O, ito pa isa doon. O, kahit isang kiss na lang sa labi.
Look at that happy crowd, happy moments inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Happy Sunday to everyone watching on our Facebook page.
Hirap na hirap talaga itong Florida Blanca. Their free throws are not going in the basket. Imagine mo if they hit almost all of them, this would have been a very different ball game. And another miss para sa kanila. 0 for 2, empty free throw trip. Pero good steal by Harvey.
Finally, a basket for Florida Blanca.
Foul on Serrano. He was holding on to Lendl Garcia.
Kerwin Manansala checks in for Florida Blanca.
Who has been a non-factor. And another steal. Ho-ho!
They're
Yan na!
on it! Ito na ang Florida Blanca. Back to back.
Look
Kaya
at-
naalarma itong si Coach Zaldi Messina. Look at that. Umalis kasi dun si Lendl Garcia, tapos hindi pa niya nadepensahan si Aldrin Serrano. That's why it alarms Coach Zaldi Messina. Timeout on the floor. 5 minutes and 12 seconds. 55-42.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Aldrin Serrano with 15 points, 2 rebounds, and 1 assist sa laban nila kahapon against Minalin All-Stars.
In today's ball game, not shooting well, but still 14 points pa rin ang kanyang ginagawa. But kailangan pa ng ibang things sa kanya. He needs to rebound, pass the ball, create a shot for his teammates. Kasi nga, laki pa rin ang kalamangan at 13 points.
55-42. 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Lendl Garcia against Aldrin Serrano. Lendl with the basketball. Back to Edmar Dizon. Dizon!
Near stop there para sa Florida Blanca. As parte ng 7.7 kanina, di ba? Parte ng 7.7K viewers. Tita Janice Bautista, the mother of Justin Bautista, watching right now from Lubao, Pampanga. Tita Janice, hi po. Good afternoon po sa inyo. Some miss there.
Sorry, miss for Christian Silvestre.
Golden ticket for Florida Blanca.
Speedy Harvey with a jumper. Still up good.
Kanila pa rin.
Traveling violation called on Speedy Harvey.
Nagkaharangan sila ni Jean Layug dun eh. Hindi sila nagkaintindihan. Harvey hit Layug. You can see Coach Vince Icban on your screens.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano, para sa kanyang fourth quarter report. Daphne, take it away.
When I asked Kent Montalvo of APALIT, I love it, on what maintains their composure for today's game, all he said was, dapat manalo kami. Coming from his own words, APALIT's eagerness to win successfully converts into points and a strong defense that can lead them to finally bounce back from their loss. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Daphne. Dapat manalo kami. Galing yun kay Kent Montalvo of APALIT. I love it. A winning mentality approaching this ball game, of course. Coming from a heartbreaking loss yesterday against Level Up Lubao. Going back, Lendl Garcia. Great D coming from Florida Blanca.
Oh! Wow!
Look at that rejection from Isaac Danting na patayo doon. Si Admin Secretary Glenn Danting.
Kahit ako, mapapatayo dun eh.
Clean block, clean rejection coming from the Growling Tiger himself.
A 3-second violation there on Silvestre. Good double team by Layug and Alquero, but what a rejection galing dito kay Ice Danting.
Look at that. Aldrin
Hinabol.
Serrano.
And Aldrin did not know what hit him. Kita mo yung tsura ni Aldrin Serrano dun eh.
Hinabol talaga yun ni Ice. 55-42, still a 13-point lead for APALIT. This is their golden chance para mapababa ito sa kalamangan ng APALIT. Speedy Harvey, still a rebound for Alquero. Back to Jean Layug.
7 seconds on their clock.
Layog to Glenn Gregorio.
Ayaw pa rin talaga. Pahirapan itong Florida Blanca just to get a look for the basket.
3 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Adrian Serrano will check once in for Speedy Harvey. He will play point guard here. Glenn Gregorio on the inbound.
May tira to sa malayo. One-footed shot.
Another turnover. 7.9K viewers in our Facebook at Pampanga PIO.
Happy watching po sa inyo dyan. Also, Tito Ernie Bautista, the father of Justin. Happy watching po, Tito and Tita. As again, Serrano, one-legged shot man.
And so wala pang 30 seconds. It's now 8.4K viewers.
Kakasabi lang natin, di ba? Kung mga tagad.
Adrian Serrano running against 3.
There you go. Attack basket. I was surprised with the two one-legged shots na tinira niya. He could attack the basket at that point.
11-point lead. Back-to-back missed possession for APALIT.
Good drop pass. Great drop pass there by Lendel Garcia.
Walang takot talaga tong Edmar Dizon eh. The lead is now back to 13 with 2 minutes and 29 seconds remaining on the game clock. 15 on the shot clock for Florida Blanca. Glenn Gregorio against Kent Montalvo.
Haba nung dalawa, Montalvo tsaka Makapagal.
Di ba nga magkamukha yung tattoo lang na guys?
Tattoo lang talaga eh. May tattoo si Montalvo sa kanang braso eh. And look at this, the celebration starting for APALIT. 13-point lead and look at the crowd sa side nila.
They saw our game clock here inside the BREN that it was just 2 minutes and now it's 1 minute and 55 seconds for our fourth and final quarter. 13-point lead for APALIT.
Great rejection there by Layug. 13-point lead, there's still a chance para dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca, but you have to score and get multiple stops and start now if you want to win this ball game.
Speedy Harvey. Back to Shaka Lorina. Alden Serrano. Pero dumulas yun sa kamay ni Layug.
Jin did not roll to the basket. He just stood there after the screen. A clear foul there.
Si Ice. 57 to 43 with 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining. Isaac Dunting on the sideline inbound. Lendel. Edmar Dizon.
Pushing foul on Serrano.
You don't give fouls in this crucial minutes.
And like I said, diba, the barometer for APALIT, I love it, is always the free throw shooting. Ang ganda ng free throw shooting nila in this game. And look at that. Look at the fans right now.
0 out of 2. 0 out of for Lendel. Still a 13-point lead for APALIT. It's really 0 out of 2 now for Lendel Garcia.
Nabati mo kasi sabi ko, hapon to agad.
For now, yun dapat. Khalid Makapagal on the rebound. Back to Lendel Garcia. 1 minute and 22 seconds remaining.
8-second violation. Yun yung sinasabi ni Lendel. Bakit si Dizon at si Makapagal nakatayo lang doon, hindi bumaba. Wala tuloy siyang mapasahan. And he had to dribble it. Naubusan tuloy sila ng 8-second backward doon.
Shaki Lorina. Balik kay Lorina ang bola. 3-point shot. Off to the left. Rebound by Speedy Harvey. He fires at another triple. Danting on the rebound. What a dominant rebound coming from Isaac Danting. Montalvo. Montalvo drives. Montalvo misses. Rebound by Alquero. 7 seconds remaining. Shaki Lorina against 3.
This is interesting to note, Ben, ha? APALIT are 48.1 seconds away from having their record 1-1. Papanoorin nila mamaya yung next game panigurado between Minalin and Lubao. Titingnan nila yon, Lubao versus Minalin. Kasi if Lubao wins later on, 2-0 ang Lubao, APALIT ang number 2 at 1-1. So yun yung inaantay nila. Like I said, the magic number is 2 wins. APALIT prevented Floridablanca from getting that second win ngayong araw and having a good position to go to the finals. APALIT 1-1 sila, Floridablanca 1-1.
And one great thing that for both teams na maglalaro ng ating next game na semifinals, they will have a recovery time.
Yes.
Because there will be a 1-week break for them. Recovery for their mind and recovery for their body.
And also preparation. Yun yung nawala ngayon sa Floridablanca. They weren't able to prepare for APALIT. And with a solid team like APALIT, I love it. Solid sila eh. You have to prepare for them defensively and offensively with the length, speed, athleticism nila. Hindi pwedeng basta-basta ka na lang lalaro eh. This is an elite team. Itong APALIT, I love it, with championship aspirations.
Especially when you have a UAA growing tiger himself, rather. Hindi pa nalaline up itong si Ice Danting sa UAAP. Wala talaga eh. Wala talaga yung mga 3-point shot ng Floridablanca this time. 35 seconds remaining.
Finally, a bucket for them. Pero ang tagal, ang daming naahit na oras for Floridablanca. They're really, really struggling in this ball game. Ang baba nito, 46 points. That is very, very low para sa Floridablanca and their output.
Take a look. Harold Lopez running against Dizon. Naka-basket pa siya doon with 31.7 seconds remaining in our game clock. In our fourth and final quarter as we go back from the timeout. There will be an inbound for APALIT. And look at the crowd of APALIT. Look at that. We're back to back to back. Full capacity inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. 57-46. Look at Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda on the stage together with his son Daniel Pineda. They're capturing the moment. This happy moment, happy Sunday inside the BREN GUIAO. 20 seconds on the shot clock.
This might have done it now for APALIT.
Khaled Macapagal. Edmar Dizon. Sa traveling violation pa. Dito kay Kent Montalvo. But now an 11-point lead for APALIT with 11.9 seconds remaining on the game clock.
And ito yung factor dito bakit tumimeout pa si Coach Vince Igban. With this victory from APALIT, 1-1 ang kanilang team standings. If Minalin All-Stars defeats Level Up Lubao later sa ating next game, lahat ng teams dito sa semifinal round, all 4 teams, 1-1 ang standing nila if Minalin
There
All-Stars.
will be a pointing system na. Who will be the first or the top 2 teams dito sa 4 na elite squad na natira dito sa ating Delta Cup.
That's the point bakit si Coach Vince Igban called for time dito para maputol pa tong 11-point lead. Maibaba nila to single digits para pagdating sa quotient system, medyo hindi ganun kalaki yung disparity. And they have a good chance to at least go up.
Because it's a close game kagabi between APALIT, I Love It, and Level Up Lubao.
Jam time! Alaw, dadakdak si Macapagal.
13-point lead now for APALIT. 59-46. 1 second. And there you have it. The 11 consecutive wins of Floridablanca. Finally, APALIT gave them their defeat today on our Game 2 of our semifinals. APALIT, I Love It, really bounced back. Coming from their heartbreaking loss against Level Up Lubao. Look at the celebration of the crowd of APALIT.
Grabe, what a ball game for APALIT, bouncing back after that heartbreaking loss yesterday. And they bounced back in a big way, a statement made You defeat the #1 team in the league by 13 points. And now, you tie. Pareho itong Floridablanca at APALIT are now tied at 1-1 dito sa single round robin semifinals natin.
Our final score is 59 to 46. A 13-point lead for APALIT. I love it, but of course, grabe ang pinakita ng parehong kupunan na to, Enzo.
Mayor Jun Tetanco is very, very happy for sure ngayong araw sa kanyang mga players with the effort that they produced right now.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano, dahil kasama niya na ngayon ang ating Delta Cup Best Player of the Game. Daphne, take it away.
Ayan, magandang hapon mga ka-Delta. Kasama ko ngayon ang best player of the game, APALIT's very own Isaac Danting with 13 points, 11 rebounds, and 4 assists. A spectacular double-double performance from him. So Isaac, what do you believe are the critical factors that contributed to your team's success today?
So yun, pinag-isapan lang namin ng team is buong game kami, depensa lang kami. Para, siyempre, susunod na lang yung opensa. Mga talented naman itong mga kasama ko. Credit naman sa kanila to, kaya natapos namin na maganda yung laro. And still, magaling pa rin pinakita ng Florida. Hindi naman natin na lumaban sila. Galing-galing.
And with the semifinals high and of course the overwhelming support of the crowd, as the key player, how do you maintain focus and compose in high pressure moments like this?
You know, high pressure moments like this, parang pinaghandaan namin to. Lakas namin ng Team APALIT. Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo. Tutuloy pa natin to. Tatry pa natin galingan. Basta suporta lang kayo sa amin. Yun lang.
Ano pa kaya pwede namin abangan sa Team APALIT?
Abangan nyo lang, ewan ko, more effort sa amin and di kami basta-basta mag-give up and yun lang.
Okay, and may gusto ko bang pasalamatan or batiin pa?
Okay. Salamat po sa sumusuporta sa amin lahat, kayong mga fans, lalo na kay Mayor, Vice Mayor, sa dad ko, and sa mga tropa ko sa Bigulot. Shoutout sa inyo, at sa mom ko, and happy birthday sa lola ko in heaven.
Ayan, masasabi talaga natin na APALIT was finally able to do it. Kaya naman, back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Daphne, and take it to our best player of the game, Isaac Danting, 15 points, 11 rebounds, and 4 assists. Really bounced back coming from their heartbreaking loss. Once again, 59 to 46 is their final score. APALIT, I love it, dominantly win against ABE ABE King Panyulung Floridablanca. And coming up next is our main event, Level Up Lubao kontra Menalin All-Stars para sa ating game 10 ng semifinals. For Enzo Galarosa, Daphne Lozano, this is Penelope Wilhelmina, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Mike Danan, Direk Billy Ray De Leon, and Direk Ramonito Roa, at sa lahat ng nagtrabaho mula dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, this has been your Delta Cup 2024, and I'm saying that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.